what was the first reaction the moment the maker of this film approached you for the role, and what was the director's brief to you?
Well, I actually really liked the story when I heard it, simply because, I think the sort of intimate, romantic drama that it is, it's the sort of film that you don't get to see anymore. And especially with short films and stuff, I think a lot of people that are making short films are constantly trying to be clever and, trying to have a twist in the end or surprise or, coming up with stories that are clever, which is also nice. But what I liked about this was that it was a straightforward, intimate, romantic drama, the sort of which I had not seen in a short film for sure.
Okay, Kritika, what was your reaction?
I think quite similar. I also thought it was very simple yet beautiful, and there is a bit of like relatability. I think everybody has felt these emotions in life, and yeah, there are not too many simple stories said straight these days. So this is one of them, and yeah, I really liked it when I heard it, and then I got to know that he's a part of it, and it just sort of fell in place, and yeah.
I had my doubts about the director though.
How do you relate to the character which you played in White Collar?
Well, I think like she was saying, both the characters are really relatable. Actually, three of them. All three of them are really relatable. I think, when you're in a relationship and you break up, you hold on to little things, things that keep you connected to each other, which is the white shirt in this instance. And I think we've all been through that. Sometimes you're heartbroken, but you want to still reach out to the person, and you reach out for varied excuses. You make excuses about why you're calling the person, because you want to hear the person's voice again, you want to feel connected to them again. So here the white shirt becomes, an instrument for them to be connected. So it was very relatable, and I think that's what's nice about the story, that it is simple, it is intimate, but it's also very, very, I think everybody out there will relate to the story.
Okay, Kritika, you were there in the industry for a long time, on the small screen. Now you are coming in the short film. Are you eyeing Bollywood a big screen too?
I don't look at it like that actually. I want to do all mediums. I want to do everything. So I'll act. If I like the project, I'll do whatever it is. And this is not my first short film. I've done two before.
क्या छूट गया आपको? Well, एक एक्टर खुद भी रियलाइज करता है कि हाँ यार ये होता है, ये हुआ है, या मैं रिलेट कर पा रहा हूँ उससे, या
हाँ, मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात यही है, मैंने जैसे कह रहा था कि रिलेटेबिलिटी और एक अच्छी रोमांटिक पिक्चर, लेकिन रोमांटिक मतलब इन नॉट अ टिपिकल वे, इन अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टिपिकल वे। और दूसरा जो कैरेक्टर्स थे मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, बहुत रिलेटेबल लगे। सिचुएशंस ऐसी थी कि हम सब उन सिचुएशन से गुजर चुके हैं, इस तरह की सिचुएशन से, और इस तरह कभी कभार रिएक्ट भी किया हमने। तो आई फाउंड इट वेरी रिलेटेबल, एंड लाइक आई सेड अर्लियर इज दैट आई जस्ट फाउंड इट वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द अदर शॉर्ट फिल्म्स दैट वर आउट देयर।
It was a wonderful journey just doing this film, and when I heard the story also, I found it really relatable. We've all been in love, we've all been heartbroken, and I think we've all learned to move on. So this is that whole curve, and of course the association with Royal Stag, Bile Select, large short films has been great because the kind of stories they've backed before this one.
बस आपके फर्स्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म है
जी,
तो क्या खास लगा आपने जिसे चूज किया आपने?
जी, एक्चुअली मैं एक दो पहले कर चुका हूँ, बट उन फिल्मों को ऑब्वियसली इस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला जैसे लार्ज शॉर्ट फिल्म है। जैसा मैंने कहा, मुझे जो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात इस पिक्चर की लगी कि बहुत देर बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एक डायरेक्टर और एक लेखक ऐसी कहानी कहना चाहता है जो बहुत ही एक पर्सनल कहानी थी, बहुत इंटीमेट थी, रोमांटिक ड्रामा था। जबकि जब मैं शॉर्ट फिल्में देखता हूँ जो इंटरनेट पे है, जो रिलीज़ हो रही हैं, बहुत अच्छी फिल्में रिलीज़ हो रही हैं, लेकिन वो जो जॉनर है वो बहुत अलग है।
Kritika, do you think that the short films provide you the equal amount of exposure as the feature films?
Yes, absolutely. I think the digital medium is huge. I think the internet, the fact that you can watch this film on your phone. You can't really watch a 2.5-hour film on your phone as opposed to a short film like this. See, it's like a novel and short stories.
Thank you.
कुणाल, जैसे आपने अंदर कहा व्हाइल टेकिंग योर इंटरव्यू सेट कि हमारे दोस्तों ने फिल्में देखी और उन्होंने बहुत हॉनेस्ट जवाब दिया कि उन्हें किस तरह की फिल्में की क्रिटिसाइज़ भी किया। मैं भी उन्हीं दोस्तों की तरह कुछ कहना चाहूँगा। एंड कि अगर मैं बात करूँ इवन टू द डायरेक्टर, माई क्वेश्चन, इफ़ यू कैन हियर मी दैट्स मच बेटर। एंड अगर मैं फिल्म की एंडिंग की बात करूँ जहाँ पे वो वानी का किरदार छोड़ के चला जाता है, क्या ये जस्टिफाई है छोड़ के जाना? एक तरफ इट इज़ शोन शी इज़ इन लव विद दैट गाय, फिर उसके बावजूद उसको हालांकि पूरी की पूरी फिल्म में लड़का ही झुका हुआ है, वही सॉरी बोल रहा है, वही फ़ोन कर रहा है, वही मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है। लड़की हमेशा की तरह वही अटपटे जवाब, अच्छा क्यों फ़ोन किया, अच्छा ठीक है रख रही हूँ, यू नो। तो एंड आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद द एंड। Why you felt so, the director and the actor?
You know, I think it's very good that you're not happy with the end, because half the people are happy with the end, half the people are not. And I think that is what makes a good film, is when you come out of the film and you have an argument about नहीं यार ये होना चाहिए था, कोई और बोलेगा नहीं यार मुझे तो लगता है ये होना चाहिए था. So I think that is what makes an interesting film, is when people have different perspectives on it. So you might not be happy with the end. When I read the script, I thought it was a great end, because I felt like it was about time that she moved on. It was a relationship, like she said, that it served its purpose, and it was a relationship that you know. That wasn't what it started off being. You know, it had changed the relationship, so she needed to move on. So I thought it was a good ending. But it's great that we can both sit here and argue about it, and I think that's what makes a good film.
And I don't think it's just, and she also says कि मैं तुम्हें माफ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, you know. So I'm sure ये
माफ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ लेकिन प्यार भी कर रही हूँ।
हाँ,
That's how it is.
ऐसा ही होता
That's
है
how
ना।
it is.
But that's how it is. You love the person, but she's not able to forgive him. तो अगर वो माफ नहीं कर पा रही, या तो वो इतनी महान हो कि वो माफ कर दे, या ये गलती नहीं हुई होती. So it's not just that the male character is flawed. It's also उससे गलती अगर हुई है, उससे गलती हुई है. He's not a bad guy. He didn't,
Yeah,
you
he's
know,
not a
उसकी
bad guy.
intention नहीं थी, but उससे गलती हुई है. But इससे वो माफ, she can't forgive it. तो फिर क्या फायदा? It's like that.
Okay,
And you're not happy with it, but I want a girl's perspective also.
Yeah,
on
that
the
would be
ending.
interesting to see a girl's
Because
point
after
of view
the
on that.
screening also, काफी लड़के खुश नहीं थे with the ending, but लड़कियां ठीक थी.
Okay, Kunal, let me know the percentage people who are not happy with the ending.
Sorry?
The people who have already seen the film,
यही हो रहा था. Some people were happy, some people were not happy. कुछ लोगों को लगा कि उसने ठीक किया.
And that's the beauty of it, right? To have an argument on that.
Yeah.
It's not black and white कि relation अगर person ऐसा है तो ये ऐसा ही करेगा. I think relationships are matters of the heart, and you know, there's a lot of gray areas that relationships tread in, and sometimes you could be a strong person but react in a certain way in a relationship, or you could be a weak person but you could find strength in a relationship. So I don't think relationships are mathematics, you know what I mean?
Correct.
कि a person will react like this because their personality is like that.
And it's not just about कि strong woman या weak woman. Sometimes you're so invested in a relationship, you can't fall out of love in a day, ना? कि अगर ये हो गया है तो ऐसा नहीं है, तो they give it. He's also trying. I think somewhere she's also not able to. She's sleeping with the shirt. She's living with the shirt. She's not able to move on. But then she decides to move on. So even if even if it was reversed, अगर वो लड़का भी होता तो भी शायद इतना टाइम तो लगता है ना. How do you fall out of love in a day or whatever? You can't. So it's
So as a viewer, the story is incomplete for me for the ending. Like अचानक से end में what made her to return the shirt and just walk away?
You know that point when the maid makes her realize कि आपकी ये कितनी की बदबू आ रही है, आप इसके साथ सोती कैसे हो? Till then she's not even realized. Then she smells it and she realizes that yeah, maybe this relationship is dead. So like he said, the white shirt is a metaphor. So maybe it is dead. ये शायद this is over. But I need to now let go of it. I think that is the turning point.
Lastly, Sumit, कब upload हो रहा है for the viewers?
आज 7:30 बजे शाम को.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
also to just give you to add to what Kritika said, कि जब मेड उसको बोलती है, और अक्सर ऐसा लाइफ में होता है कि आपने अगर कोई शर्ट पहन रखी है 4 दिन से, तो आपको उसकी बदबू नहीं मालूम पड़ेगी इतना, लेकिन कोई और आपके पास आएगा और बोलेगा यार यू आर स्टिंकिंग, एंड यू लाइक हाँ यार ओ बदबू आ रही है शर्ट से. तो क्योंकि आप जिस चीज़ के साथ रहने के आदी हो जाते हो, आपको उसकी क्वालिटीज, उसकी बदबू या उसकी खुशबू का फर्क पड़ना बंद हो जाता है. लेकिन कोई थर्ड पार्टी अगर आपको बोलती है, आपको रियलाइज होता है कि ओ यस ये एक्चुअली शर्ट बदबू मार रही है, शर्ट एक्चुअली खत्म हो चुका है और मुझे निकल जाना चाहिए इसमें से बाहर.
हेलो सर.
सुमित सर.
हेलो मैम.
नहीं मतलब सी दैट्स अ मेटाफॉर.
हेलो सर. हेलो मैम. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर शॉर्ट फिल्म सर. यंगस्टर के लिए तो ये बहुत चीज़ सीख मिलेगी सर. और सर से एक क्वेश्चन है सर. सर अगर आपको सेकंड चांस मिला होता तो सर आप क्या करते सर, अगर सपोज पैचअप लाइक?
तो फिर हम पार्ट 2 बनाते.
ओह ग्रेट सर. सर
यार मैंने तो लिखी नहीं है, उन्होंने लिखी है, तो आप उनको पूछिए वो क्या करते पार्ट 2 में.
He would have made it work.
Okay sir.
Avik would have made it. He would have gotten better probably.
Okay,
My
okay,
question to
sir.
Sumit
Thank you,
sir
sir.
and Kunal sir, apart from digital platform, is there any scope or opportunity to screen this film on multiplexes? Because there are a lot of films like Kriti, Ouch. There are many filmmakers are coming and they are making short films. So is there any scope or in the future chances they will be screened on multiplexes? You might be getting screens apart from digital platform for large short films.
आई डोंट नो यार, वो तो मालूम पड़ेगा आगे जाकर ही। अगर लास्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म डिसाइड करता है कि वो अपनी पूरी कलेक्शन बनाकर दे वांट टू डू अ स्क्रीन, दे वांट टू डू अ मल्टीप्लेक्स रिलीज, दे कैन।